I think events like this are extremely important because the idea of inequality, the idea of opportunity, is a really complicated one. And it's one that in many ways is really hard to measure. We can look at job statistics and economic growth, but I think what we really care about are people.
We have a strong belief in meritocracy and that people can work their way up with hard work and grit. In fact, we have a system that systematically advantages some groups of people and disadvantages others. We have an educational system that is riddled with inequities, and we rely heavily on education as a vehicle for upward mobility.
The basic cost of living, especially in a city as expensive as New York, where you have soaring rents, can actually double the cost of college for students. There are very limited number of programs, unfortunately, that provide those basic needs and wraparound supports. Programs such as CUNY ASAP, which is in community colleges, they provide, Metro cards, books, additional counseling.
But if you think about what people need to thrive, think about a safe neighborhood, housing that is stable, food, all of that. Those are separate issues from what education can provide you at a given moment.
We see the opportunity is very local. So places that are more mixed income, that are more integrated, oftentimes kids who grow up there have much better outcomes. Unfortunately, many of our cities are becoming more segregated. So you're not having that same neighborhood cohesion, you're not having that mix of incomes. And for kids who grow up in places like this, their opportunities are much lower. It really takes nuanced research to better understand those issues. And I think the more we can better understand those issues, the better we can actually work on policies that can have real impact and be transformational.